The Holy Bible, containing the Old and New Testaments, Gideon, the Gideon's Internationals, the Holy Bible, copyright 1985 and 1983 by the Thomas Nelson Inc. The Holy Bible, New King James Version, copyright 1982 by Thomas Nelson Inc. The New King James Bible, New Testament, copyright 1979 by Thomas Nelson Inc. The New King James Bible, New Testament and Psalms, copyright 1980 by Thomas Nelson Inc. 2007 60000 copies. Published by the Gideon's International in India, 9-1-38 by 1, first floor, Y.M.C.A. Secunderabad 500003, Andhra Pradesh, India, www.gideons.org. Printed at Indira Printers, New Delhi 1-110020, G11 by IP by 160H. Book of Old and New Testaments. Book of Old Testament. Book name and page number. Genesis 1 page number. Exodus 59 page number. Leviticus 107 page number. Numbers 142 page. Deuteronomy 193 page. Joshua 234 page. Judges 263 page number. Ruth 291 page number. 1 Samuel 295 page number. 2 Samuel 332 page number. 1 Kings 363 page number. 2 Kings 399 page number. 1 Chronicles 433 page number. 2 Chronicles 466 page number. Ezra 506 page number. Nehemiah 517 page number. Esther 534 page number.